An illusion of lightness to last forever. The Apatê bridge is one of the world's first entirely stainless steel bridges. This contemporary and sustainably designed 70-metre footbridge crosses the Sickla canal in Stockholm. Located in the district of Hammarby Sjöstad, an internationally recognised example of inner-city regeneration and sustainable development. Named Apatê after the Greek word for illusion, the design includes 125 tons of Forte DX 2205 high-strength, resilient stainless steel, but with a lightweight feel that blends in with the environment. It has won many awards due to its sustainability, design and innovation, including the Swedish Steel Prize and the European Steel Award, both in 2003.